So I just watched the news and found out something I was not aware of. Apparently this is supposed to be a significant storm, like even a blizzard. Apparently Boston has only ever gotten 2 feet of snow 5 times in like 120 years, 125 years. So, I guess they're gauging the storm by that Boston has the potential to get 2 feet. One of those times was the blizzard of 2013, February 13. I remember only too well, as I said in numerous videos out here. No heat, no electricity for 2 whole days. A lot of people had it worse than us. You can be in one city and only lose heat and electricity for 2 days, while someone else, not even that far away, loses it for 5, see? I don't know. I'm going to the library tomorrow no matter what. And if I have to walk home in the storm, it's not supposed to hit till late at night, but if I walk home in a slight storm, it's alright. It's worth it to go to the library. Especially since if it's a blizzard, there'll be no library Tuesday, you know. So that's what's happening in my neck of the woods. We shall see. Again, I do find it exciting, but it's not going to be so exciting if we lose, you know. Power outages are not exciting. They're awful. They're torturous. But, you know, it is what it is. I'm going to watch the 11 o'clock news, because the closer you get to the storm, the more accurate the news forecast is. That's just common sense. They have not wavered in regards to this storm, so chances are it's going to hit, and it's going to hit hard. Maybe I'll get some movies from the library, but if we lose electricity, it's just going to be hell. I remember only too well. I'm too cold to even read. All you do is just try to, it's just hell. 2 days was hell. Can't imagine it going longer. And the temp inside the house plummets fast. And if it starts off colder, well, you know, because it was, I don't know. Is what it is, and that's all it can be. I want to see what the news has to say tonight. My news I usually watch, which is They don't have like the regular news on Sundays, like at 5:30 and 6. They have sports, so I'm actually going to stay weak, especially if I start reading. I told my mom she wakes up to wake me up, but she's napping too, so I'm not tired right now. I'm doing laundry. I had no clean underwear and my jeans got filthy the other day. One pair of jeans now that my denim ones, one pair of black jeans, my denim ones with a hole in the ass. Yeah, and why did that happen, Laura? Could it be because you gained 15 pounds or close to it since you bought the pants? And they had to stretch out. I remember by the end of the 2 days it was down to 30 in this house, 31 I believe, 30 something like that, 34. I tracked it on video and on, but imagine if it started off really cold, then it would get obscenely cold inside the house, see? Pretty damn torturous. And like I said, it is what it is. Whatever will be, que sera, sera. It's interesting though, they're saying that it could be one of the worst storms of the last 120 years. But we'll see. I want to see what the news says tonight, but I can't force myself to stay awake. Maybe I'll just send Selena a quick text. I don't feel like talking. I feel like waking up tomorrow and having the fast be over with, It's not that bad. I've done so many now that it's nothing to me. So many water fasts. I usually do them for like 36 hours. I stopped eating last night probably. I fell asleep in here early. My mom was out watching TV. I probably stopped eating like maybe 7. So right now we're at 24 hours. And if I go to 7 tomorrow, it'll be 36 hours, give or take. I'm sure it was Selena that most likely, I don't know for sure. Only people texting me who was texting me were Selena or Foot Guy, so I'm sure it wasn't Foot Guy, so it probably was Selena. She might simply be worried about me because she knows I went out Friday night. I should probably contact her just in a quick text, but I don't want to text. I just want to let her know. She probably already knows, we're expecting a bad storm here in New England. They're calling it a blizzard. And then just to tell you, I haven't answered my phone for 2 days. Yesterday I was hungover all day, and today I'm fasting and irritable. I don't talk to anybody when I'm fasting. Doing laundry, and I showered and washed and dried my hair. So I did constructive things. I read the entire NutriBullet book. I read a significant portion of my Maryland book. I'd like to finish and return it to the library. I don't know if that's going to happen today, though. Check my texts. I can at least read the text even if I don't respond. Marlon went poo-poo once today. I'm sure there's a poo-poo inside of him. I told my mom, keep an eye on him. I've been taking him out, but he didn't go poo-poo. This is my danger zone right now. Last time I made it all the way to the night, and then I ate. So I did a semi-fast. Now I'm determined I'm going to wait till tomorrow morning to eat. Yesterday, I wanted it to be today because then I wouldn't be hungover anymore. Today, I want it to be tomorrow because then I won't be fasting anymore and I can eat something. Alright. Definitely keep you guys posted on my storm here, the storm here where I'm living. Just like I did 2 years ago. February of 13. My lovely welcome back to New England, Laura, after living in LA for over 10 years.